We got a mutant gummy.
Show it, man. Show what the.
It's a worm and bear fused together. We found it in a gummy worm bag. We don't know why.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah, it's pretty weird. And the gummy bear has a tumor on its head. I mean, it's messed up. So we'll just stick it here with our
we just put on
I Love Jesus thing, and it'll be good. Our mutant gummy bear, gummy worm bear, got left in the sun, hanging right there, and kind of melted down or something. I don't know. That's what it is now.
Mind if I borrow my doll?
Taylor's gonna eat it.
I'm gonna eat it. It's good. I can't do an impression. Oh my. That's so gross.
Why is it gross?
Why is it gross?
I gotta swallow it, man.
What's wrong with it?
Here, open it.
Let's swallow it.
It's hard to swallow. It's like gel.
Don't throw up. Dude, spit it. Spit it. Let him.